Welcome to Product Critique, and today we have the best 6-inch blast gate for dust collection, the POWERTEC 70227. If you've been looking for a way to enhance your dust collection system, this could be the solution you need. In this video, we'll go over all the features and benefits of this product to see why it's the top choice for many woodworkers and shop enthusiasts. The POWERTEC 70227 blast gate is designed to maximize the efficiency of your dust collection system. It helps you direct and regulate the airflow from one machine to another, ensuring optimal suction where it's needed the most. One of the standout features of this blast gate is its self-cleaning and clog-proof groove design, which eliminates the need for constant maintenance. This means less downtime and more productivity. Built with heavy-duty aluminum and a premium steel gate, the blast gate is durable and leak-resistant. It's engineered to last and withstand the wear and tear that comes with frequent use in woodworking environments. The easy sliding gate makes operations smooth and effortless, and with the locking stop feature, you can be sure the gate will stay perfectly aligned every time. Another great benefit of the POWERTEC 70227 is its flexibility. With a nominal 6-inch OD opening, it tapers slightly from 5.83 to 5.89 inches, which ensures a tight fit with most dust collection systems. This allows you to get the most out of your setup without worrying about air leakage, which can impact the performance of your dust collector. Whether you're working with a single dust collector or multiple machines, the POWERTEC 70227 is versatile enough to be used in a variety of applications. It's perfect for ensuring that the dust is efficiently extracted and your workspace remains clean and safe. Plus, its durable construction promises long-term use, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to improve their dust collection system. So if you're serious about keeping your workshop clean and efficient, the POWERTEC 70227 6-inch blast gate is definitely worth considering. It provides excellent air control, durability, and ease of use, all key factors that make it stand out in the market. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.